Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a tour of Spanish Town Road. Now Spanish Town Road is under construction and we are going to take a tour of it to see what's going on. We are on Washington Boulevard, turning left now and going on to Spanish Town Road. Now Spanish Town Road, there are actually three major projects going on with this road, but the one that's on the way now, two are on the way now. It's one, National Water Commission is supposed to be laying pipes, which I think they have finished. And then the road is supposed to be paved over by the NWA, the National Works Agency, which the last time we took a tour, that work had not started yet. And then there's a third project that has not started yet, where the government announced that Spanish Town Road will be redesigned and re-engineered because this is one of the two main roads that take you into the city of Kingston. The government says you don't really get the feeling like you're driving into a major city. This is the road we're on, and this is where when you come off Mandela, this is where you would come. So they wanted to redesign and re-engineer it, this road and Washington Boulevard, so it looks more like you're driving into a major city. The similar work was done on Port Royal Street. They have beautified that area and really fixed it up nicely in downtown Kingston. So if you enter in the city of Kingston from that side. Okay, so let's get back to the construction now. So Water Commission laid the pipes and National Works Agency was to pave over the road and finish it. And for months now we have seen no sign of the road being paved over, and here we are on the road and still no sign of any road works going on. And according to NWC, they outsourced the work to a contractor, and that contractor was to sign off on the road works, and then the NWA, who also outsourced the work to a local contractor, was to begin once the other contractor or the NWC signed off that the pipes were laid. So according to the releases, the monies were paid, the contractors are signed, the money's paid, and yet I don't know what is going on with the construction on this road, but the road is in a terrible state. Now, you can't blame the MWA for not wanting to pave over the road until the NWC is finished, because too many times, and everybody who uses the roads can attest to this, too many times Water Commission digs up the roads and they leave the roads in a state worse than when they found them. According to an NWC person, NWC don't walk with asphalt. So they don't, let's just say it's a good for NWA to wait until NWC has finished and signed off, but I don't know if that has been done. Nobody knows what's going on. There's been no update on this project. It's just here, and the people have to use the road in the state it is. Just to give you an idea where we are, on the right is the warehouse for J. Ray and Nephew, and they're the ones who make the rum. And then at this stoplight now, you turn right and you go into the Seaview Gardens area. Now, this road, Spanish Town Road, has a lot of communities off it. This road runs all the way to downtown Kingston. So you have a lot of communities, and these communities have grown over time. So the water pipes that were supplying these communities with water were too small. So bigger pipes, 15 millimeter pipes, bigger pipes were laid as part of the NWC project to ensure that these communities could get a reliable source of water. And it was then decided that the road would be paved over after that project was done. So on the left is a Toyota car dealership. On the right is a 214 exchange for Red Stripe. They have a facility at the front where you can buy the finished products like beer and those kind of things, and then behind them, or behind the outlet, is the factory where they actually make the products. On the left is KIG, it's Ford, Subaru, Jeep, and Yamaha dealer in Jamaica. On the right is the Excelsior Water Cracker factory. Select brands on the left. So straight ahead is a 3 miles overpass, and that's the only double overpass in Jamaica. And that overpass is actually built at the busiest intersection in Jamaica. Every time I drive on this road, I'm just fascinated by this sign. It's like a truck sticking out on the left. Really nicely designed sign. So there's a picture of the overpass. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.